Hey guys, what is up? It is Aaron from Vigilante Motors, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to test your car battery using one of these. Now it's a multimeter. I picked this up for about 11 bucks on Amazon, so it's cheap and they're super simple to use, so let's get right to it. Some symptoms of a bad battery or alternator is dim interior lights, dim headlights, or the vehicle just clicks when you go to start it or doesn't start at all. And sometimes there is no symptoms whatsoever. You just go to your car and start it and nothing happens. Today, we're going to just focus on the battery and how to test yours to see if it's still good or the reason why your vehicle may not be starting. First thing you want to do is turn your headlights on for about 2 minutes. This will get rid of any surface charge your battery might have, thus giving us a better reading on our first test. While we're waiting, you want to grab your multimeter and turn it on, and you want to go to volts. Now this one just says V. Some will say DCV for DC volts, and you want to select something at least at the minimum of 15 volts. This one doesn't have that, so we'll select 20 volts, and we're ready to test. After the 2 minutes are up, turn your headlights off and grab your multimeter. Now, you want to take a red lead and a black lead. These are called leads. And you want to go red to red on your battery for positive and black to black, which is negative on your battery terminal. And you want to see at least 12.6 volts. If you are below 12.2 volts with the engine off, like it is now, your battery is considered bad and probably needs replaced. So let's see what we can get here. Red to red, black to black. And as you see, we're reading 12.7. So that's good. I know this battery is good. However, that means it's only holding a charge. It doesn't mean that it can crank, doesn't have the cold cranking amps, the CCA, to start your vehicle. So that's what we're going to test next. It's best to have an extra set of hands for this next test so you can watch the multimeter when the vehicle is starting up. Now, the number is going to go down, and that's okay. The alternator takes a lot of energy on initial start, but the magic number is 9.6 volts. If you see the multimeter drop below 9.6 volts while you're cranking the engine, you have a bad or dying battery. Now, the reason why I want to ask extra hands is because when I'm touching my leads to the battery and the engine starts, the engine shakes and it rattles. And so the battery could move and the leads might move on here, which will give you an inaccurate reading. So have someone help you out, start the vehicle up while you're touching the battery terminals. Okay, let's fire it up. And you see we dropped down to about 11.3 and now we're running at 13.9. And that's good. We didn't go below that 9.6 we didn't want to see, so I know the battery is good. Now the reason why it's higher than the 12.6 is because the alternator now is charging the battery. And so that's why we saw that number go up. But we didn't hit the magic number of 9.6 or 11.3. I know this battery is good, so that's a good thing. 2 tests and we passed both of them. The first one, we got it, the vehicle was off. We hit that 12.6 mark. We know the battery was good there. Then we turned on the vehicle, we cranked the engine over, and we didn't drop below the magic number of 9.6 volts. So I know this battery is good. The next thing you want to do is just check your terminals and make sure they're clean and not have all kinds of corrosion and gunk build up on them, because that could be the reason why your vehicle isn't starting. Now, I have a video on my channel that talks about battery maintenance, how to take care of them, how to clean them. I'll put that in the description box below. Check that out. But that's it. This battery is good. I know that can't be the culprit. So stay tuned for next week's video where we test the alternator to see if that's the reason why your vehicle might not be started. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel. I always appreciate any support I might get. And if you have any questions or comments on your vehicle, whatever it might be, drop it in the comment section below and I'll happily answer them. Till next time, I'm Aaron. This is Vigilante Motors, y'all. Peace.